Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the use of super keyword. Okay, what are all the different situations we can use super keyword in real time and all we will see. Three different uses guys. One is to access superclass variables. Okay, super key is mainly used for to access superclass variables. We need a super keyword. To call to superclass methods. And third one, to invoke superclass constructor. Okay, these three are the advantages with super keyword. Already we are aware of what is superclass and what is child class. If there is a relation between two classes by using extends or easier relationship, then we can see what is from where we are getting all the properties and methods into the child class, that is a parent class, and where we are acquiring all the properties and methods, that is a child class. Okay, so from child class you want to access superclass variables, you can use super keyword. From child class you want to access superclass methods, then you can use super keyword. Or you want to invoke superclass constructor. Did you remember what is constructor? Constructor is something like class name and method name are same. Okay, class name and method name are same with no return type. Okay, that is a constructor. Okay, class name, method name are same with no return type, that is constructor. Okay, so to invoke parent class superclass constructor, we can use super keyword also. Let me see all these things practically. Okay, how we can access superclass and child class and all. Okay, let me create a new class here. Or already we have created one class is here. System void.running is there here in the by class is there. Okay, fine. This is the run method is there here. Okay, perfect. Okay, fine. Now in this class I want to print. Okay, here run method is there, here also run method is there. Okay, for example I have int number of tires is there, variable is there, equal to 10 I have provided. But in the child also I have number of tires. Okay, in the bike also the number of tires are there, which is overriding with 2 is there here. Bike is having 2 tires, right? Okay, now I want to print number of tires. This method little I am changing to print number of tires. This method little I changed. Okay, print number of tires are there. Now I want to print my local how many are there and my parent. Very simple. For local current class, what is the keyword we can refer? This dot number of tires refers to current class. Okay, and super dot number of tires refers to super class. That's all. So if you call this method, okay, b dot run you are calling anyway, b dot this method you can call, then it is going to print number of tires. So this dot number of tires will consider this value, super dot number of tires will consider this value. So it need to print now after b dot run. B dot run means locally you are having, it is a overridden method. So you are going to have bike is running and then it need to print 2 and then 10. That is the output. So see carefully here. Okay, bike is running 2, this dot number of tires, this is super dot number of tires. That is the main use of super keyword guys. Okay, that is the use of super keyword. Same way I am having in the super class one more method is there. Let me assume public void engine, one more method is there. Vehicle engine will be there, right? I am trying to print engine is smooth. Okay, engine is smooth. This is the method I am having in super class, which I don't have in the subclass. But I want to call this method, engine method. How can I call here? Very simple. Super dot engine method is there. You can call from here. So super keyword is used for to call to superclass methods also. Like super keyword, you can call, you can make use of to make a call to superclass variable, superclass data, and as well as super keyword you can use to make a call to superclass methods also. Okay, now engine is smooth also it need to print because this is available in superclass. See, engine is smooth also printed. Similarly, I have one, let me assume I have one constructor here in vehicle 1. Okay, constructor already you know, the method name and class name both are same. That is one constructor. Okay, this is one constructor I am having. Okay, I need to give, this is a method, right? Okay, I want to print, just for your understanding, superclass constructor. Superclass constructor. Okay, superclass constructor. So if I will run now, what will happen? Tell me. Is it going to call this method or not? Run carefully. Superclass constructor, it is executing successfully, but from where it is calling? From where it is calling? So by default super keyword will be applied from the child class. Whenever you created object to the child class, by default the superclass constructor also will be called. Or you want to do manually, then let me have child class constructor also, then you will understand here. This is the child class constructor. You want to, this statement automatically it is adding. Okay, this statement automatically it is adding when you are creating the object to child class. Okay, now also you can see same output. Now also you can see same output will be there. So our compiler by default will add this statement. Okay, but compiler by default will add the super keyword to make a call to superclass constructor. Okay, you cannot write this statement. See, for example, what is right? Bike is smooth, for example. Why it is giving error? So in any constructor, see this is the constructor, right? Bike class constructor. You should not write super key after any of these statements. This should be the first statement in your constructor. This should be the first statement in your constructor. Otherwise it will throw an error. Okay, this is important interview question. Wherever we want, we can call a construct super to make a call to superclass constructor. No, you need to make a call. That should be the first statement in child class constructor. Okay, if you don't provide this one also, compiler automatically will take it. Okay, we no need to worry about that. But explicitly you want to give, this way you can give superclass constructor and all. Okay, total 3 different things we have seen here. One is to access superclass variable. What keyword we have used? For the current class, it is this. For superclass, you need to use the super. To call to superclass methods, see super.engine method I called. Why engine method is available to this bike class? Because bike is child to the vehicle 1. So what are all there here? Everything will come to your child class. And third one is what I told you. You can make use of super to make a call to superclass constructor. So by default this one will be given by the compiler. Though you give or not, it will call to the superclass constructor. But explicitly you want to give, you can give by using super keyword. Like this way you can understand the importance of the super keyword. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. Any doubts, anything, you can always send it to me. Right, thank you.